Today we're going to be installing the side opening underseat locker in a 2015 and up F-150. To start, we'll go ahead and raise our seats in the truck. And that will make our mounting points accessible. What we're going to start with here, we got our bag of hardware here. We got 5/16 hardware and 2 1/4-20 nylock nuts, and those are what we're going to be starting with. We're going to take our extension bracket and we're going to bolt it onto the locker. And we can run this all the way tight under the 2 studs. Next step, we'll take the locker, place it inside the truck into the position it's going to be going. And what we'll want to do here is have our extension bracket on the back side of the mounting point there, and the passenger side mounting point pressed directly up against the underseat bracket. At this point, we'll grab our 5/16 hardware and our other tools, and we'll be able to bolt the locker into place and tighten it down. And you'll see on the extension bracket here we've got a slot, and it's going to line up directly with the main hole on the underseat bracket. I'm going to take a 5/16 nut, 5/16 flat washer, and then we've got another 5/16 flat washer, split washer, and 5/16 nut. And you can run this through any configuration you want. For the purpose of this video, we'll go with the bolt on the outside. Press that in, put our flat washer on next, then our split washer, and then the nut last. And you can put that on hand tight, and then you can go ahead and bolt this down. Till it's tight, and then we'll move over to the passenger side bracket, and we're going to do the same thing. Grab our tools and we'll go ahead and tighten this up as well. And that completes the installation of the F-150 side opening underseat locker.